Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In this video, let's talk about on how we can add pauses onto our Creality Slicer. Basically, just to show you, let's add a shape onto our model right here. And then, of course, let's scale it so we can demonstrate you on how you can do this easily. And from here, basically to add your pauses, it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and preview your print. So just click on the preview option at the top of your screen. And basically I've added multicolors on my print right here. So don't worry about it. Yours will look like a solid color on or depending on your model. Basically to add a pause onto the printing process, you just want to navigate through the part on the progress bar right here on which you want to add your pause. So let's say generally you want to add a pause on the middle of the print. Maybe you want to do something or check on something before it completely finishes. So in here, you just want to navigate through that specific area, right click on it, click on add pause, and then it will highlight that area with the pause message and with the black bar. As you can see right here at the 1 hour 20-minute 51-second mark, it will then pause. Of course, you can add multiple pauses if you want to. Let's add another one onto this part. Let's click on add pause, and then that's basically it. You want to click on the slice plate to apply your changes, and you will be able to see this cuts right here, indicating that there's going to be a pause on that specific area. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.